Hello traders, in this video I'm going to cover two methodologies and two different ways of trading. I'm going to start off with the roadmap indicator, which I'm going to add here to the chart live, and I'm using the E-Mini S&P. So this is the roadmap, and then right after I show you what's happening here with the roadmap, I'm going to switch over and add the Sonic trading system. So you can see that here are these roadmap zones, and the roadmap zones are indicating that the market is landing in these zones and then immediately either stopping and reversing or pausing once it reaches them. And it happened here a few times already. If you look at just before the previous signal here, you can see that the market landed in this area and then reversed. And the same thing now happened exactly as you see it. It hit the zone A just on the edge and it reversed off of it. So this is a great way, especially if you're using the E-Mini S&P or the micro E-Mini S&P in futures or CFDs, in order to understand where the manipulation happens. I'm going to switch over now to the Sonic trading system. I added the Sonic to the chart, and the Sonic system is a unique price action trading system. It gives you the targets, it gives you the stops. We include it with accelerated mentorship, and we have here a signal live. You probably heard that shooting sound. That is an audible alert. You can have any type of sound that you want. I just decided to have the built-in NinjaTrader sound here. If you're using TradingView, TradingView has the same type of sounds. You can have your own sound and alerts on TradingView. I'm using NinjaTrader here, and I'm going to walk you through this trade. So the signal for the Sonic on the E-Mini S&P is 64.67. So I'm going to try to get that exact price.
Filled.
So I got filled. The one thing that you notice is that I didn't chase it or didn't run after it because I would have gotten a worse fill. Something that I think is important: try not to chase the entries. Try to use limit orders. And now it's about waiting. We can't wait an hour. This is a 1-minute chart, but it's about waiting to see the market go in your favor. I also think that the longer the market stays in negative territory, the worse off you are. So right now we're in positive territory. It's moving in our favor. It's great. But let's say that it's hanging out and trading below where you entered here for an extended amount of time. That is a way for us to know that things aren't going in our favor. It's time to get out at break even, at a small loss, or try to get out before it hits the stop. So something to consider if you're in a trade and it's still negative after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes that's a sign to say it's not working. We should get out of this. Immediately when in our favor, that's what I like to see. So when a situation like this occurs where the market goes immediately in our favor, it gives us the confidence that the signals that we're taking, whether it be the Sonic, the roadmap, the Atlas line, it tells us that we're on the right side of the market. Now, if you think about how much money we're trying to make or how much money we're trying to lose, this is about equal. It's 50-50. I talk about this a lot, the risk to reward ratio. You're also going to notice that the E-Mini S&P is $12.50 per tick, which means right now I'm going for 10 ticks from 64.67 to 64.69.50. That's a total of 10 ticks. And that would be the equivalent of $125
Target filled.
per contract. So I just have to mention that, per contract. If you're trading 10 contracts, that's over $1,200. So just remember that the amount of contracts that you trade, you may start off with a smaller amount of contracts or even micro contracts when you start trading, but then you can gradually grow 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 5 contracts until you feel confident that you want to be able to trade maybe 5 to 10 contracts. And then I would stay there. I wouldn't go too much more than 5 to 10 contracts. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more about our accelerated mentorship program, which includes all our courses and software, visit DayTradeToWin.com and get a free member account. You can see exactly what we have to offer. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.